Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add another fingerprint to Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on biometrics and then click on fingerprints. So now you can see I have already added one fingerprint. So to add another, tap on it and then enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern and then tap on add fingerprint. Now tap on register and then scan your second finger. And after scanning, tap on done to save. And now you can see two fingerprints are added. So that's how you can add another fingerprint to Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.